Hi, welcome to Quiz Arena. Can you name all the brands? Let's find out. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Easy level. Guess this tech logo. Apple. Know this drink brand? Coca-Cola. Recognize this fast food? McDonald's. What's this car logo? BMW. Spot this shopping site. Amazon. Identify this sportswear. Nike. Can you guess this? Pepsi. Seen this before? Instagram. Guess the bird logo. Twitter, X. Know this smartphone brand? Samsung. What's this snack logo? Pringles. Guess this toy company. Lego. Recognize this camera brand? Canon. Famous airline logo? Emirates. What's this chocolate? Kit Kat. Name this streaming logo. Netflix. Know this soft drink? Fanta. Which car brand is this? Toyota. Famous energy drink logo? Red Bull. Recognize this tech giant. Microsoft. Medium level. What's this coffee shop? Starbucks. Know this courier brand? FedEx. What's this mobile brand? Huawei. Spot the burger chain. Burger King. Guess this kid's channel. Disney. Seen this social app? Snapchat. What phone brand is this? OnePlus. Identify this OS logo. Android. Can you name this bank? Shell. Recognize this oil brand. Shell. What's this airline logo? Qatar Airways. Guess this pizza brand. Domino's. Seen this before? YouTube. Recognize this fashion logo? H&M. Guess this dessert brand. Baskin-Robbins. What's this paint logo? Dulux. Know this video app? TikTok. Spot this browser icon. Google Chrome. Famous clothing logo? Adidas. What bank is this? MasterCard. Hard level. Which soda is this? Sprite. Identify this payment app. Venmo. Know this fashion brand? Gucci. Seen this in school? Wikipedia. What game logo is this? Xbox. Guess this ride service. Uber. Recognize this file host? Dropbox. Which tea is this? Lipton. Spot the TV logo. Sony. What's this battery brand? Duracell. Know this travel site? Booking.com. Guess this photo site. Pinterest. Recognize this beauty brand? L'Oreal. Identify this juice brand. Tropicana. Know this food delivery? DoorDash. Spot this fitness brand. Reebok. What's this dating app? Tinder. Seen this airline logo? Lufthansa. Guess this game logo. station. Final logo. Name this. Google. How many logos did you guess right? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next challenge.